Welcome to Minexa.ai, where no code meets powerful APIs for scraping logistics companies effortlessly. Extract detailed supply chain data with ease and precision using our versatile platform. Navigate to supplychainbrain.com's supplier directory to find logistics service providers. Minexa locks onto the right data section, even with complex layouts. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension now. It instantly reads the page structure to prepare for data extraction. Click the violet button that says, "Yes, I'm on the right page," so Minexa can analyze the page and detect the logistics company's list accurately. Nothing is missed on the first page. Minexa automatically detects pagination and manages all pages seamlessly for complete data coverage. Choose between lightweight list scraping or full extraction, including every detail page, to get the depth of information you need. Click Continue for simple pages, or switch to advanced mode when content appears only after interactions like dropdowns or tabs. Minexa highlights the detected HTML container for your logistics company's list. If it looks right, click Create Scraper to generate a reusable scraper in minutes. Your full data structure is ready. Select fields like company names, addresses, and contact info for logistics providers. This scraper works across all pages with the same layout. Developers can click the API request button to get Python code that's ready to run, with all scraping logic built in from your training session. Validate and complete your configuration by clicking Complete Configuration to lock in your setup before running the scraper. All pages are included now. If pagination exists, Minexa detected it automatically. Otherwise, just continue to finalize your setup. Validate your scraping job, and if you want it to run on its own, set a frequency before clicking Confirm to save your setup. Start the run now. Pagination rules and container logic work together to ensure every page and data row is included without gaps. Every row in this dataset is a verified match. You'll see company names, locations, services, and contacts extracted accurately with no silent errors or wrong data mixed in. Export your records easily. If you chose detail pages, each row includes full content from linked pages for complete insights. Start with Minexa and transform any website into an automatically updating dataset without manual reruns or extra effort.